So today we're going to be applying walnut oil to this semi-cascade style bonsai that I sprouted from a seed about 6 years ago. It's important to note that this is mostly just to display it. It's not something that you want to regularly do. Most oils aren't safe. You want to use a walnut oil. Other oils can damage the health of the tree, but it kind of gives the wood a really fresh, shiny look to it. And it just kind of keeps it having that wet look for the duration of a show. Or if you're having a party or something and you want your trees to look extra good. This is the secret to a lot of the shows that you'll see where the trees just look amazing and the bark looks super fresh on them. Generally they use walnut oil. This one's only been in this pot for a few months. It's still very much growing into it. But you can kind of see the contrast now starting. Just gives it that really shiny look to it. I don't even like to cover the entire trunk with it. I usually just do the sides that are most visible. And you kind of do the pot too, give it that fresh look. Just don't drop it when you try to pick it back up, because it will be slippery after this. This one's not actually going to a show right now, it's just for me mostly. Well, that's it. One of the secrets that the bonsai masters use to dress up their trees for the shows. Have a good one, guys.